Hello dear viewers and learners, welcome to my channel English for All. How are you doing well? Hope you are doing best. I am Babul Akhtar is with you. Today I am going to start new tutorial on spoken English. We know grammar, we know vocabulary, but many of us can't speak in English. But why we can't speak in English? Do we know it? Hopefully, there is one reason, that is, we don't communicate in English. Many of us know grammar, know vocabulary, but many of us can't speak in English fluently. Because we don't speak in English, we don't communicate with others in English. You see, we have been studying 12 years for learning English, but we can't speak in English fluently because the teacher in the classroom doesn't make this environment in the class. You see, the teacher teaches English traditionally. He teaches grammar, he teaches he get the students memorized a paragraph or anything, letter, applications, these things. But he doesn't make the students to speak in the classroom. That's why the students cannot speak in English. From today, I'm going to start spoken class. You know that I've been also making tutorial on grammar and vocabulary. So you can watch this tutorial produced by my channel. After hearing this video, if you think that this is beneficial and good for learning spoken English, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. And also you can share it to your friends, your brothers, sisters who are interested to learn spoken English. One thing I want to tell you, if you want to subscribe my channel, you have to have Gmail account and log in to subscribe my channel. Dear viewers, when I will be discussing about spoken English, that time I will discuss how you can speak in English, what sort of sentences we can produce on different situations. And also I will teach you how you can make sentences on different situations. So let's start. Today I'm going to teach you how you can introduce yourself, getting the name right, asking someone's occupation, and then asking some more information. Okay? So after knowing these things, then I will go for some grammar discussion. So you are with me? I hope so. Let's start. How you can introduce yourself. You think that you have met a foreigner, okay? And then you want to introduce yourself. How? You can say, hello, good afternoon, or good morning. Or if he is a Muslim, you are going to introduce yourself. You can say, hello, salam. This is Babul Akhtar, or you can say, I am Babul Akhtar, like this. I can write here, this is Babul Akhtar. Or you can say, I am Babul Akhtar. So in reply, the foreigner, he can say, hello, Babul. He can say, hello, Babul. This is like, his name is Gary Julian. Okay? His name is Gary Julian. Or he can say, I'm Gary Julian. I'm Gary Julian. Okay? So we have understood. We now know how you can introduce yourself and how the other person with whom you are introducing yourself, he can answer to you. Now we will see how to get the name right. Number 2 point. This one. Gary Julian told his name, but you could not understand his name properly. Probably you did not hear his name correctly. Then what question you can ask him in this situation? You can ask him, sorry, what's your first name again? I did not catch your first name. Or you can say, sorry, what's your first name again? I did not get your first name or last name. So then he can answer, it's Gary, or last name is Julian. It's Gary Julian. He may repeat his name completely. It's Gary Julian. So we have seen how to know the name right. Okay? Now let's go for third situation, how to ask someone's occupation. You need to know what is he doing. So in this case, what question you need to ask him? You can ask this question in two ways. What do you do? Or what are you? In reply, Gary Julian might tell you, I am a student or a computer analyst or a teacher or a businessman or a banker, anything he can say to you. Okay? Then let's go for the fourth situation, that is, you want to know more information about Gary Julian. Okay? Like number 4, to know more information. So probably he has told you that he is a student. Now you want to know what college or university do you study? You can ask, what college or university do you study? Then he might tell you that I go to Boston College. Okay? Then he might ask about you. Like he might ask me, what about you? In reply, he might ask me to know about me because we are discussing, we are talking with each other. So you want to know about him and also he want to know about me. So he might ask me, what about you? In this way, what about you? I might tell that I'm a radio journalist or a broadcaster or a news presenter. Okay? Then probably you want to know more about Gary Julian. He has said he is a student and you know that he is studying in Boston College. Now you want to know what subject is he studying over there. Then you can ask him, what subject do you study there? What subject do you study there? He might tell that I am studying medical science or political science or I am studying English literature. Okay? I am studying political science or English literature or anything he might tell you. Then you can know more information about Gary Julian. You can ask him, why are you studying medical science or why are you studying English literature? So in this way, you can make longer your conversation. All right? So today I want to finish it here. In the next tutorial, I will discuss more situation, how we can speak in English. And also, I will discuss some grammar, how you can produce your conversations. Dear viewers and learners, I have other tutorials on grammar and vocabulary. So I'm inviting you to watch those tutorials and it will develop your grammar and vocabulary stocks and you can develop your speaking ability. So thank you very much to watch this video. Until the next tutorial, I wish you sound and good health. Thank you very much.